Hi, this is a video introduction to LabVIEW. When you start up LabVIEW, you get the Getting Started window. The Getting Started window consists of several options that help you get started on your LabVIEW programming. On the left of the Getting Started window, you get two sections, which is a new and the open section. The new section lets you open new LabVIEW WISE, empty projects, or use a WIRE from one of the several templates available. The open section gives you shortcuts to the previously opened LabVIEW projects or LabVIEW WIREs. You can also use the browse button to browse through any previously created WIRE on your computer. On the right side, you got several resource tools available, such as news from ni.com, the technical content, online examples, and different resources. You also got online support options available, such as discussion forums, the knowledge base. A very useful button over here is the Find Examples button that lets you browse through the different examples that LabVIEW gets shipped with. One can start a new LabVIEW WIRE by either clicking Verify over here or to the file drop-down menu and clicking on New WIRE. We can also use a shortcut Control N. LabVIEW programs are called WIREs, short for virtual instruments, so called because their appearance mimics that of real instruments. A LabVIEW program consists of three main parts. The first is the front panel, and second is the block diagram, and third is the icon and connector pane that serves as the outlook of your LabVIEW program. The front panel consists of the main menus, which consist of File, Edit, View, Project, Operate, Tools, Windows, and Help options. These options let you configure how LabVIEW works and work with your project or change options in your WIRE. There's also the WIRE toolbar that lets you run, abort, pause your WIRE. It also lets you change the fonts of any text that you put into your WIRE. It lets you reorder, align, resize several objects that you got in your front panel or your block diagram. There is also a controls palette that consists of several inputs and outputs that you can have in your LabVIEW program. You can move to the block diagram by using Windows and click onto a block diagram or using the shortcut Control E. The block diagram contains the code of the LabVIEW program. In the block diagram, you get the same menus having the same options such as the File, Edit, View, Project, Operate, Tools, Windows Help menu. And you also got the WIRE toolbar, although here there are several options available such as pause execution, highlight execution, and three stepping buttons. When you use the pause and highlight execution option, then you can debug your WIRE by using these three buttons. There is also a Clean Up WIRE button. The Clean Up WIRE button lets you clean up any distributed wires that you might have in your block diagram. The last part of the LabVIEW program is icon and connector pane. As you can see here that it is visible both in the front panel as well as in the block diagram at the top right hand side. The icon and connector pane come in handy when you're using your LabVIEW WIRE as a sub-wire in any other LabVIEW program. Another useful feature in LabVIEW is the context help. The context help gives you a help tip strip on any function that you might have in your block diagram. The context help can be enabled by clicking this question mark over here or by using the shortcut Control H. When your front panel block diagram has become too large to be accommodated on a single screen, then you can use navigation window to move through them. Navigation window can be brought about by using the View option and clicking on the navigation window. So this was an introduction about LabVIEW GUI. Thank you.